Okay, so I have a 2013 Town & Country Touring where I have an issue where when I first turn on the car and start up, the air conditioner on the front blower does not come on until about 4 or 5 minutes after driving. So I heard that it might be the blend door. So I'm going to take the blend door out and see if it's broken and replace it with one that I got from the junkyard for about $8. So change the blend door on my 2013 Town Country, and first I'm going to let down the glove compartment. I press down one side at a time. So to remove the blend door, I'm going to first remove the filter here. And wow, the filter is definitely dirty. But anyway, you can see it, the blend door is loose, and it's not supposed to be loose. It's just loose and dangling around inside the filter housing, which is behind the glove compartment. And that's the air housing. So I'm in the glove compartment about to remove the old AC filter housing door or flap, air inlet flap, because I believe it's broken, but I'm gonna remove it here. I'm just gonna bend a little bit and turn it back towards the front of the car. And as you see, it is broken. And just going to bring it straight out. I'll flex it, bring it straight out the housing. Okay, so I have an issue where the AC on my 2013 Town & Country was not coming on for about 5 minutes after I started the vehicle. From what I understand, it's because the AC flap, air housing flap was, or door, one tab of it is broken, and I just confirmed that by looking at it here. Here's the original door that with this end broken off, and here's the replacement door that I got from the junkyard for $8. So I'm about to put this in through the filter housing. There's the blower motor. I removed that, so I'm just gonna insert this like this into the filter housing. And from what I understand, you gotta insert the left end first, and it flexes a little bit, so I'm gonna flex it and then put it in, and then hopefully that fixes the problem. That should fix the problem and allow the car to start the AC whenever I first turn on the car. Well, here's the results after I changed the blend door or the air flap. So now the AC comes on immediately instead of after 5 minutes.